Yo, what's up, traders? Quick video on making mistakes and responding to mistakes. So, um, mistakes are something that happen, and let me tell you a story. Some of you guys know this story. A year ago, New Year's Eve, I was in some positions. I was checking the charts at night. I was getting stressed out, and I closed my position. And that position, if I had let run, was a 50 Bitcoin long at 17,000. Price today was around 45,000. You do the math, like 30, like 1.5 million pre-tax profit if it was still running. And what's funny is last night, a year later, I make the same mistake where I I'm in some decent positions. I was long Singapore dollar and USD Singapore dollar and USD Swedish kroner. And I don't know if it will work, but I had a Bitcoin short that was would have been in profit. And I was watching the chart at night on January 1st, so it was 366 days later. And I closed in fear, and I woke up today, and I'm like, wow, man, have I really not made progress in a year? I'm just repeating the same mistakes, and I think that's something that's going to happen. Is repeating the same mistakes. They become less frequent. But I think the key here is how you respond to mistakes. So you're going to make mistakes, but the key is how do you respond to those mistakes. So last year, and I'm going to make this quick because I want to go and I want to upload, but last year I responded to that mistake by focusing on the charts more and over trading, and I went into a crazy losing spiral and lost a fuck ton of money across January, February, March. I started to turn it around in April, but this year, instead of like focusing on the charts, I'm focusing on my anxiety and stress. So okay, I didn't get a good night's sleep New Year's because of the fireworks. I didn't get a good night's sleep last night because I was up. Well, a tool that I have now that I didn't have a year ago that I really recommend for all traders. I have a time walking device for my phone and a time walking device for my computer, so I can lock my phone, lock my computer for a very long time, and that contributes to me taking much better care of myself, lowering my anxiety and coming in and performing. Um, it is, I thought over the year, it took me a while to find out. I was like, man, like I keep making the mistake of fear closing at night. And I think for Bitcoin, I actually closed my short at the highest 1 minute of the day. Which when I was trading at night would happen often. And I'm looking at the charts like, how is it possible that I'm like selling my position out at the lowest 1 minute and I'm buying at the highest 1 minute and I'm doing it at the market? The market is a way of hypnotizing you if you stare at the chart, especially at night. And I thought for the longest time, okay, I need more courage, I need to be braver. But what I found is I just need to not trade at night and only trade when I'm confident. You don't need to ever be afraid in trading. I don't think I ever need to be afraid in trading, right? Lock my phone, lock my computer. Only trade in the morning when I'm prepared. I'm not going to be afraid, and then lock the shit up for the rest of the day if I need to. So, um, the point is that it's not about, you're going to always make some mistakes. It's about how you recover from those mistakes, getting back to equilibrium as fast as possible. The tools, the process, the habits you have for recovery, that makes all the difference. And playing the ball as it lies, like you can always think, if I wish I had done this, I wish I had done that. Wish I had put on more size here, I wish I had put less size here. I wish I had taken this entry, I wish I hadn't taken that entry. I wish I hadn't traded at that time. Well, you are where you are, and what can you do from the exact position you're in is where you are, so you have to make the most of it. So having that mindset of, okay, I'm just preparing for, I fucked up, I'm preparing for tomorrow, get myself set for tomorrow, and then come out there as prepared as I can be and do my hour session and then move on with the day. So yeah, it's and believe that you don't, if things are going wrong, you don't need to work more, you might need to work less. Or at least maybe if you work more, it's just never about spending more time on the charts or spending more time trading. Because if you're if you're making mistakes, you're not making the best of the opportunities that are in front of you. So you don't need more opportunities. You need less and to do better with the few opportunities that you're looking at. So those are some thoughts on mistakes. So yeah, if you repeating the same mistake, well, if you have it sucks, but it's okay or at least less bad if you have a better process of responding to it. Because I at least know that I'm not going to spiral into. I don't know I'm going to have winning month or winning months, but I know I'm not going to spiral into what happened last time. And a lot of it's thanks to these tools and also that experience and the new beliefs that I have around um, schedule trading. It's super important to trade only the morning and not look at the charts the rest of the day. So much love and happy trading, folks. Peace.